Hi everybody, Julia from Accessorize Your Life. How are you doing today? I hope you all are doing well. I'm doing pretty good. Had some rest, ready to get on and film because I just received my Coach Crossbody bag. It is not an unboxing but an unbagging because with this Miss COVID going on, you know, we have to disinfect and get rid of those boxes. So here she is inside the wrap. We're going to open her up and see what she's all about because, you know, shopping online, you don't know what you're going to get, you know, until you get it. I think I'm going to have to cut this open. So I was on the Coach outlet, and that's where I found this bag. And as you may remember that I did a video on vintage crossbody bags for the pandemic shopping, and I said at that point that after the pandemic I would look for new crossbody bags that met more of my criteria now, because I figured I would have to, you know, I wanted to streamline my collection and get rid of some of them if they didn't serve me as well as I'd like them to serve me. And just sometimes, you know, bags are just old and you're tired of them. So this one came wrapped in the styrofoam. First the plastic and then the styrofoam. And the box had everything in it, you know, padding and everything like that. So let's undo this styrofoam. And here it is. Hi, let's take a close look at my Coach bag. I have the Bennett in chalk. Chalk is a creamy off-white color that is perfect, I feel, any time of the year. I would carry this in the winter as well as the summer, spring, and fall. I think it depends on what you're carrying it with, how you accessorize this bag with your clothes. Say if you used a nice leather coat with a creamy tan color, it would look great, or black, nice furry coat, or in the summer with your nice culottes and shorts. Any time of the year you could carry this bag, I feel. So like I said, it's in the color chalk. It is 5.5 inches high, 8 inches across, and 4 inches in depth. He has a strap that can be used to carry it crossbody or on your shoulders. There are 7 adjustable holes on the strap, and the strap is rather thin, which could be a good thing. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel like it's hard or stiff, so I feel like it can sit comfortably on the shoulders. The leather is cross grain on this bag, which means that it is an embossed leather. And they usually use embossed or embossed leather to hide imperfections in the leather itself. It also helps to give the bag a nice uniform look. Also, cross-grain leather is used to help maintain the shape and durability of the bag. As you can see, this bag does have its own little shape there. And it is structured and pretty much a classic looking bag, I feel. So I think the cross-grain leather is a good choice for this bag. It is very, like I said, structured. It also has even stitching that is reinforced with tone-on-tone thread. And I gotta say, it's a very minimalistic purse. I think the gold tone accents here in the zipper and hardware gives it a nice look. It blends well with this color. Plus, I think the overlay or little patching of leather here gives it a little style. Otherwise, it would be very, very basic. So let's look inside. It has a beautiful colored, kind of a caramel colored lining, and this is what I'm talking about. If you wore a coat that's about this color with this bag in the winter or fall, it would look dynamite. So this is a nice sturdy lining that's in the caramel color. This bag has on the back or back wall, it has the code or creed patch here that tells you that this is an authentic Coach bag. It has its serial number there and a little description about it being authentic. On the other wall, it has 2 slip pockets possibly for your credit card and your driver's license. And other than that, it's just a big empty space with that top zipper that I really like so that I can get in and out quite easily when I'm shopping. This bag is great for just a quick outing, or it's great for going to the movies or dining out, as well as the shopping, like I said before. It's sleek, well crafted, and again, it's a very minimalistic looking bag that gets the job done. I think the long and short of it is that it's small but mighty. It's the Coach Bennett bag, and I've referred to it as in the gender of he because it reminds me of Jane Austen, and she always wrote about Mr. Bennett in her stories, being the dad of her main characters. So this is my Mr. Bennett, spelled with 2 T's versus the 1 T. I hope you like it, and if you're interested in this bag, you can find it on the Coach outlet for about $69.50 right now. I think there is about 75% off. It usually goes for $278 if I'm correct, and I think the black and some of the other colors may be as high as $79.50. But if you're interested in a Coach classic minimalist looking bag that gets the job done, check it out. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. And if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. And like this video because it helps YouTube to keep me in the loop. And also comment so that we can get to know each other better. And share this video because you may have friends or know others who are interested in the content of Accessorize Your Life. Bye-bye. Has a zipper in the back, and I think this is perfect for fitting things in right there. So it's a very thin strap, which could be a good thing.